All right, so once you have those values typed in, you can then select your data, you see here, and then go to Insert, and then go to Scatter. Now if yours doesn't look just like this, you just want to look for Scatter, okay? Look for that term, Scatter, and then you want the one with no lines. So click there, and then your graph will pop up, okay? Just like you see here. Now you will need to format this. So you're going to need to look up here at your chart layouts. Again, this may be in a little different place on yours, but you're going to need to get a chart layout that has titles on the side so that you can put the title of your y-axis, the title of your x-axis, the title of your graph. This little series one thing, you can always delete that. Okay, so there is our graph. Now, we need a line of best fit. Notice this is fairly linear. Yours may or may not be. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on that and click Add Trend Line. Okay, you're going to right click on a point, Add Trend Line. This one looks linear, so I'm going to choose linear, but if yours looks like maybe an exponent like that or something different, then you can click on a different one. Okay, if you're not sure which one to click on, then kind of play around with them and see which one fits best. I do want the equation on the chart, and I also want the intercept at 0, because if the mass is 0, then the force should be 0 as well. Okay, and then R squared value, we'll talk about what that means. I'm going to click that as well, and then I'm going to close. Okay, and there is my information. So it gives me the equation for the line, and I can see the slope there is 8 times 10 to the negative 10th, and then the R squared value is 1. Okay, the R squared value tells you how good your data is. The closer to 1, the better. So if you're not sure if it should be like linear or exponential, you can try a couple, and whichever one the R squared value turns out to be closest to 1, then that tells you what type of graph is the best. Okay, when you look here, because this is 1, this is perfect data. Okay, every line, every dot is right on my line. All right, so that's how you do it in Excel. And then remember, if you want to do it by hand, you're just going to move the decimal so that all your exponents are the same. All right, hope that's helpful.